When it comes to financial planning, the specifics of everyone's goals differ. When you'll retire, how you want to live in retirement, and the personal financial challenges you'll face in life vary by person. But there's one goal everyone shares, and it trumps all the others: peace of mind. Wherever you are in life, you want to feel confident about your financial present and future. In this video, I'll lay out steps that you can take now to ensure you achieve financial peace of mind. Do you know where you are in your financial life cycle? The three main stages are accumulation, distribution, and preservation. In the accumulation phase, you're putting aside all of your net income towards retirement. In the distribution phase, you've started decumulating by withdrawing funds from your retirement accounts. In the preservation phase, you're planning for what happens to your assets after you're gone. Knowing which phase you're in is the starting point to constructing your financial plan. To know how to get where you want to go, you must review today's hard numbers. Create a personal balance sheet, much like that of a business, where you record all of your assets and liabilities and net them out to determine your net worth. List all of your cash and cash-like assets, your invested assets, and your personal use assets. Next, list all current and long-term liabilities. Net your assets and liabilities to determine your net worth. Follow a similar system for your cash flow statement. Here, you'll net all your inflows against your outflows. If netting your inflows and outflows leave a positive number, you have a surplus. A negative number means a deficit. With both your balance sheet and cash flows in hand, you can plan to achieve your financial goals. Every investment portfolio involves some risk. Building your plan requires you to know how much risk you can accept. Conservative investors generally have very little tolerance for portfolio volatility. Preserving their capital is their top priority. Aggressive investors are generally indifferent to large fluctuations in their portfolio value. They prioritize growth over safety or principle. Are you in one of these two categories, or somewhere in between? With your comfort level in mind, it's essential to review your current risk exposure. Are you a conservative investor with high-risk investments? Perhaps you're an aggressive investor allocated too conservatively. You should ensure that your risk tolerance is reflected in your asset allocation. The purpose of financial planning is to achieve financial goals. In following the steps outlined in this video, you've created the foundation for building a plan. Now, it's time to decide what you hope to accomplish financially. Are you just starting out and need to create a retirement savings plan? Are you near retirement and want to ensure your assets will last the rest of your life? Write down your goals and work on a plan to realize them. Goals are the fun part of financial planning, but there's much more to consider. You also must account for concerns, or to put it more strongly, fears. What about your finances keeps you up at night? Do you worry about running out of money in retirement? Will you have to reduce your standard of living? Will the next stock market sell-off cripple your plans? Write down your fears and do your best to build a plan that mitigates them. By now, you know your phase in your financial life cycle. Understand your net worth and net cash flows, and know your risk tolerance and exposure. You've outlined your goals and worked to mitigate your concerns. Now, it's time to put the plan together to ensure you stay on track. If you're many years before retirement, you should pick a targeted retirement date, calculate your retirement needs, and create a retirement savings plan. If you're near retirement or already retired, you should review the sustainability of your retirement based on your life expectancy and asset allocation. Following the steps in this video should provide you with much more confidence about your financial situation. If you'd like assistance from a professional financial planner and wealth manager, call us or visit us online to request a consultation. We'll help you achieve financial peace of mind.